You are not
seriously.
Cheese.
He is seriously okay.
Yeah.
This is a home demonstration for Tupperware. Just not going on Facebook.
We'll see.
We'll see. Y'all are so funny. And we are going to demonstrate this grater. Okay, I gotta clean off all my stuff here. So, you're going to find the one that you want, stick that in there, you put that in there like that, and then you tighten it up, like so. Then you turn it over, slide this in here like that. Lock it. Open your bowl up. Stick that underneath there. And we're gonna open up this cheese. You have to watch me open the cheese here. Okay. We're gonna open this cheese, and then we're going to.
It's being funny.
We're gonna slide that off in there. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay.
We're gonna take this little baby right there. Looky there, baby. My bowl's not totally big enough, but
Cheese grinder, except cheese grinder.
Yes, it should, yeah.
Manual cheese grinder.
probably need a little bit bigger bowl than that, I'm sure. So we can keep the mess down.
Awesome.
And there we have some beautiful twisted fresh grated cheese.